Abigail from two perfect to wins. I decided to make afternoon routines. So let's get started. Ay, wait. So this is my iPod. Oh, open. So first, I gonna play with my iPad. So my game is Hay Day. Hi, this is my play. Wait a minute. So this is my game, Hay Day. Bella. Bella. Oh, shut up. So this is my sister Maxine. Oops. We harvest a fish. Oh, it's big. Ah. So after I play, I go some fresh. Hey! Let's go. So I'm gonna play with my sister here. Like, bang! Bang! So we gonna take a bath. Let's go. Let's get started. I'm so sorry. Singing, singing. So I gonna spin. Oh. So I'm gonna fix my hair and some cologne. I'm gonna fix my hair. Alalain mo yan no, anak. Pupunta ka sa school.
Maxine, just shut up your big mouth.
Maxine! Some cologne. So, bye! Don't forget to like and comment. Bye! Thanks for watching! Next time! Bye-bye!